Cough up some money.
Running the trap, no I'm bringing it back with the cash on my lap, no I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no I'm bringing it back with them cap on my rap, no I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no I'm bringing it back with the cash on my lap, no I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no I'm bringing it back with them cap on my rap, no I'm bringing it back.
Fuck you, Tony. Insurance!
Good morning, Sean.
Morning, bro. Yo, Kevin, I bet you didn't come into work today thinking you were gonna die.
I died a few times.
I got a plan, just want me to do my dance. Keep a couple grams of smoke that never pass. I had a bad bitch, I knew it wouldn't last. Cause all the good shit in
You guys are now watching TooFast TV. What? Stay tuned, baby. Gotta go load up some rims for some customers right now. Oh, let me hold the door for you, my friend.
Oh, thank you. You're so kind.
You wanna come for a ride?
Yeah, might as well.
This guy is very good guy.
What's up? What's up?
What's up?
Hey.
This is Mr. Lee.
Hey, Mr. Lee. All right.
Not Austin Lee's father, Mr. Lee. The rims for the guy. You want me to keep them here, or are you gonna come pick them up for the?
Keep it there.
Why? I'm installing it.
Okay.
Am I installing it? Okay.
All right, Mr. Lee. Bye.
Mr. Lee.
Yeah.
He's a very good guy.
Not Austin's dad.
No, not Austin's dad, but Mr. Lee.
Yo, we got the new merchandise hoodie. Yo, y'all been asking for it. Buy one of these hoodies. We got some shirts too. Tell us what you guys want in the comments down below.
Whoa, do you got a drink? Whoa, or the sticky stank? Yeah, big body tank.
Cough up some money.
Jeez.
$49.99. Plus the government.
Plus the government. Can't forget the man.
Whoa, young nigga still in the streets. Till the shoe still on me. Yo, bitch looking at me. How this nigga so clean? No, I didn't call an Uber. 2 legs and I turned into a user. Don't sleep cause you're looking at the future. Don't breathe cause you're looking. Got too much time on my hands. I made a couple songs while I was dreaming about the bands. I call them my back but know the bitch is not from France.
850 baby M Sport.
It's the big boy toys right here.
Oh, it's the big boy toys.
Oh man.
Cortezes. We're about to do a resonator delete on it. You guys gotta stay tuned. One of a kind.
Jeez.
You already know.
That's a good look. Don't get booked. You carbon copy crooks. Got shook. I had these niggas shook.
Beautiful. All right, let's get a clip of the exhaust before. Right now it's in sport mode.
It sounds pretty badass, but it sounds pretty stock at the same time.
Just wait, baby. Just wait. I'm really loving the shift knob, bro.
So fancy.
All right.
Up, up, and away.
Yeah, boy.
Alright, so in order for us to penetrate a perfect weld right here, we're gonna have to remove this whole undercarriage right here, just so we can get the welder right above in those hard to reach spots. That's what makes it a little bit harder to when you're building the exhaust on the car, because sometimes you got to get into some weird angles when you're welding it up. So here what we're going to do, we're just going to do a resonator delete so that he can still use the factory Valvetronic system. You guys will hear the difference. Huge difference. This little resonator actually makes a big difference on these cars. It's an 850. The owner just told me the first in Canada. He was the first in Canada to get this.
Ooh.
Yeah. Can I help you?
Actually, you can. My exhaust.
Here. Very delicate BMW parts.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that BMW weld. We're about to show BMW how to MIG weld. You see those?
Chop chop, boy.
Safety glasses.
Safety
before
first.
anything. This is on camera.
Ready?
Hold it up.
Oh, it's hot, guy.
How many inches of pipe, Sam?
23 and 3/8.
Yo, make sure the measurements are right, eh?
Measure twice, cut once.
Amen. Gotta put everything back and be like, we didn't do this.
That's it.
What are you talking about? That's stock.
This is stock, eh?
What do you mean? This came with no res?
Yeah, bro.
So I'm gonna show you when it's not in sport mode and when it is in sport mode. The valves open up.
I know you saw that smile on his face. That is satisfaction right there.
Yo, what up, TooFast TV? We're out here and they sent some tire
Yeah, send it to Bruno Mars, fam.
all the way to Bruno.
Jeez. Just a little 1-2, you know.
Just a warmer up.
Yeah. Oh, jeez. Just a little bit hot.
Just a little warm. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Don't look at that.
It's a little bit warm, you know. Whew! Driftings.
Gang shit.
How many tires?
What tires?
You got life.
Really?
Life?
You got life.
4 cylinders are where it's at, bro.
Stop the hate. Get a V8.
Slow as a motherfucker, you know? Okay. Man's out here just swanging, yo. Burnout King's inspired, fam. Am I seriously seeing this right now? Yo, so we're out here, we're sending it, and we hear a cammed vet in the next parking lot. We told him to come over, and he shows up.
Knowing that he made more smoke than you in a quarter donut than you did in like half your burnout?
How does it feel that that guy has an extra 500 horsepower?
Oh, my heart. YouTube, subscribe, hit that button, and that little bell beside the subscribe button, that's the alert button. You gotta hit that. That means a lot to us. TooFast TV. What?
Hit that button, baby.